Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today this video is an unboxing video for the Oso Paper and Gold Mining Cocoa collab box. This is an unboxing because I didn't even open it yet. It's still sealed, so you're gonna get my real-time reaction. All right, let's go. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this. Okay, wait. Let's do that. Where else is this sealed at? Can I open it yet? Okay, I'm sorry. How the heck do you open it? Oh, sealed again. Whoops. Oh, okay, still sealed. Oh, all right, let's go. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Wait a minute. Oh, this is cute. It's a luggage tag. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Get out the bag. I'm trying to get the full effect here. Hold up. Oops. Get out the bag. Ah! This is so stinking cute. Look at it. Yes. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. I didn't expect that to stick his last. Look at the, there's something in this pouch too. Look at the pouch. Oh. Nice regular size. Is there another pouch? Oh, wait a minute. Hold on, let's open this pouch first. Oh, it has a teal inside. Is that? It's like a turquoise like inside, but cute. And there's some stuff in it. Oh, look, cute washi to do. Groceries, don't forget, cancel. Very nice. Ooh, yes. And then we have here, ooh, a double big pin. What? Look at that. Oh, it got detail too. Oh my gosh, I hope y'all can see the detail on that. Ignore my shaky hands. It's just a side effect of a little medical condition. Nothing major. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the detail. Oh, you can even feel the detail on it. Like the gem is raised right here. And the plant. Oh my gosh. And you can feel the glitter in her gem. Oh my gosh. There's the back too. Oh, ooh, a patch too. What? What? I have no idea what to do with a patch, but I'm gonna find something to do with it. All right, someone down below in the comments, tell me what to do. Stamps. Oh my God, I got stamps. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! So it's like self-care there. That's Peyton taking out the trash. This is one of my favorite stickers from Oso Paper. Is that the Planner Girl jacket? No, this is the one with the backpack for school. Is this another self-care one down here? Or I don't know. She looked like self-care. I'm not sure. And then we got another. Oh my gosh. This is the Peyton has them. Oh, I was looking at it the wrong way, you big dummy. Anyway, so yeah, self-care. That's what it looks like to me. Peyton takes out the trash. This is the doll with the backpack. I have that one. This looks like, that's this right here. The bag. This is her here. I don't know what's in her hand. Can't make it out, but I will be using these stamps. And here's another one. Like a Peyton self-care. So you have the Oso Paper self-care and the Peyton. Oh my God, I didn't know there was going to be stamps in. What's this one? What is this? Ooh, 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 ooh. Wait a minute. Get out the way. Ah, another bookmark. Yes, I love it. Ooh, look at the detail. Can you see the detail? Ah, I'm putting this in my Hobonichi. No, I should put it in my Happy Planner. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry. And then look, it's a pencil pouch. Is it teal on the inside too? Wait, open up. Oh, this has a white inside, but oh, another pencil pouch. Yay. And I got, oh, this is a big tote. Look at this. It's a tote bag, y'all. It's a tote bag. Can you see it? Ooh, what does it say over here? It says, ooh, let me get it for you. Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. Oh my gosh. What is that? Get off my bag, Lint. Yes, nice. Let's check it out on the bottom here. It's not a flat bottle, but no one cares. Because it's a bag, and I like it. Okay. Now for the stickers. I'm so freaking excited. Oh my gosh. The hands are shaking. I'm so excited. Okay, so we got some dolls here. This is the traveling and the Oso paper doll. Traveling Peyton and the traveling Oso paper doll. Very cute. Loving the colors. Classic Oso paper sticker paper. So that works for me. Oh, look at these self-care dolls. Oh my gosh. Yes, 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 yes. So you see the pink and the teal is the theme here. And then, oh, that's what the other sticker was. It was Oso paper doll with a shopping bag. So Oso paper doll and Peyton doll are shopping. Oh my gosh. And the last one is this one. They just wearing their jackets. So cute. I'm going to tell my age. This reminds me of Happy Days when Fonzie and them used to wear the jackets. And then Pinky Funkadello, whatever her name was. Everybody wanted to be Pinky. What's her name? But yeah, I'm telling my age, so whatever. But look at this. So, oh my gosh. Oh my God, I love it. So let's go through it real quick. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 sticker sheets. We got a lovely, I guess this is a large size tote bag. Very nice. We got a pencil pouch. Nice. We got regular planner pouch, which is perfect for my pocket rings. Oh, my Hobonichi. Oh, my Hobonichi. I think my Hobonichi will fit in that too, so cool. We got stamps, y'all. Stamps. There's 6 stamps in this pack. We have over here, we have a nice bookmark. I love this one. I have 2 from Gold Mining Cocoa already. I love this bookmark. We have a patch. We have an enamel pin with elaborate detail. Oh my God. And we have a travel, a luggage tag for traveling. Oh, so cute. And can't have a box without washi. Ooh, so wrong way. So look at that. Oh. Okay. Woo, girl, I'm tired. Oh my God. Yes. Oh, I'm so excited. But thank you so much for watching. If you're not already a subscriber, sorry, I'm just so excited. I can't even talk. Please subscribe if you like my video and you want to see more. Also, if you like this video, my first unboxing, like the real one where I actually open it up on the screen, give me a like. Hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more, don't forget to hit the notification bell too. Thank you for joining me and you have a blessed one. Bye.